everybody, my name is Ilya, and today we are going to demonstrate our system for drone detection and classification. So let's start. Here are two drones that we are going to use in our tests. The first drone is Phantom 4 drone from DJI, and the second one, the small one, is Spark drone, also from DJI. This is our system based on AnchorTech radar. Here you can see one transmit antenna, here it is, and two receive antennas. These are. And this is the computer which controls the radar and performs all of the signal processing. This is a GUI that we are developed. Let's start our first experiment. We will see that the radar works correctly. So here Yulia will go in front of the radar waving her hands, and we will see how the spectrogram is being changed. So let's start. Please, Yulia. Now you may see the movement on the Doppler spectrogram. Yulia, please go back and forth. Yeah, you see the spectrum change, but drone is not detected. So thank you very much, Yulia. Okay, let's start our second experiment. We will perform it with a Phantom drone. Yes, so I'll start the radar. Okay, you can see now that the drone is not detected. You can see the spectrogram, which is clear now. I start the engines of the drone. I click start. You can see that it is detected almost immediately. Here's the detection message. Also, you can see the model of the drone here. Here you see the spectrogram being updated, and this is a tracker which follows the detection. I'll land the drone. And you can see that it's not detected now. Okay, we will start our next experiment. We'll do it with a Spark drone. Here it is. Now I start the radar. You can see that nothing is detected. Now start the drone. And now it's hovering in front of the radar. And you can see that it's detected. You can also see the model of the drone. It is a Spark drone. You can see the spectrogram, and the tracker, which follows the drone detection in front of the radar. And it is detected again. Okay. Now I land the drone. Finally. Inside the ground.